Greeting guys, welcome to Crypto Unboxing. Today we will continue with some more information about Bitnautic, an ICO that aims to transform the global shipping industry. Let's have an in-depth look at some features of Bitnautic that are vital to its development. From the experience of Bitnautic's founders, confirmed by surveys and reports, they know the significant challenges faced by the maritime industry. Bitnautic address those challenges with an open decentralized platform that will enable all stakeholders such as importers, exporters, shippers, ship owners, carriers, and agents to come on the same page and negotiate their own terms, therefore avoiding the long chains that arise due to multiple parties' involvement. All of this will happen with the security and the transparency of blockchain. It is important for the users that Bitnautic is global, reliable, secure, and easy to use at the same time. Let's take a look how all these aspects are achieved. Bitnautic is global, first of all, so ship owners all over the world can list their ships and update their positions. Cargo owners, in a similar way, can list their cargoes with detailed requirements. All users are able to follow the actual conditions of the world freight market with real-time positions at any port of the world. Bitnautic is reliable. Shippers and carriers benefit from a reliable booking system based on effective digital contracts backed by the blockchain. Users execute a contract then, and there that locks in space, equipment, and rates up to 6 months in advance. Carriers offers all-in, and the rates are fixed. Shippers never have any surprise, accessorial, and their rate never change. Invoices always match the contract with 100% accuracy. Bitnautic is secure. Contact information, ship name, and private data about assets are only available to their respective owners. Bitnautic users decides when and with whom to share valuable information. Bitnautic is easy to use. Shippers just enter cargo region and destination, ship dates and equipment type, then instantly receive binding offers directly from carriers along with service performance and all the details they need to make an informed decision. Ship owners just enter the ship location and date, then instantly receive leads on matching cargoes. Thank you for watching. Please check out the description of the video to get more information about the project, Bitnautic token sale, and also their bounty campaign. Once again, Bitnautic has been officially crypto unboxed.